Hey folks, Chris here with BigCat Ranch. I want to say a big old welcome to those of you that are new, and welcome back to those of you that have seen us before. Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to another piece of equipment on the ranch. This is a machine we call Tachi. It is a pretty old Hitachi EX120. It seems like every time I use something around here, it needs a little bit of work. So one thing I noticed was that it's got a little bit of oil underneath it, and it's got a few leaks, and the hydraulic fluid is down, obviously, because of that. So I'm gonna have to top that up today before I do any work. And yeah, it's been around a few years. I can't remember the exact year, but I'm gonna say like 93, 94, somewhere in there. We did rebuild one of these lift cylinders before it came up here a few years ago. Try to give you a better view there. The one on this side here, and then that one there is leaking a little bit, and I'm gonna have to address that before too long. And yeah, nothing super special, just functional, does the job. One of the other things that I need to address is that this thumb, the electronics are not activating it. So I think all the hydraulics are fine. It worked great, and just one day stopped working. So I'll have to dig into the controls and see what I can find for a bad connection somewhere. It's got over 13,000 hours on it, so it's long in the saddle. The undercarriage is getting, just for those of you that are wondering, the undercarriage refers to the tracks, the drive system, and these are pretty loosey goosey, but as long as we keep a little bit of tension on them, the track shouldn't fall off. We're not running around out in the bush too much with it. Just goes up and down the roads, and keeps things tuned up and helps me build. Sure is nice to have, though, when it comes to lifting things and setting beams in place and building infrastructure here. It has been a very key tool, machine, to do what we've done so far. And yeah, I'm going to fire it up here in a few minutes, add some hydraulic oil and fire it up and do a little bit of excavating around. This site is the one we're going to build the Bunky 2.0. So a new cabin's going in right where the machine's sitting, basically. And it's going to face the valley. We're going to use this as a rental cabin. I got the whole cabin sitting in my trailer here, and I have the welder. I got the welder up here ready to weld the I-beams for the base of the cabin together. Oh, hey, buddy. Butter. Yeah, he's wandering around here. It's first thing in the morning. Monkey. Yeah, so anyways, I got to put the camera down and get to work. All right, talk to you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.